Hi guys, welcome again to my channel. For today I'd like to take this opportunity to help those who are into weight loss and those who are struggling on their food preparations. I know what's in your mind. You have the same question as I did when I was into losing weight, and that is, how am I supposed to lose weight when I'm tired of the same old boring salad I prepare every day? Well, stick around because I have a great idea how to make your salads more interesting with a touch of our own native Filipino dish. So our recipe today would be the crispy chicken adobo flakes, made in an easier and healthier version. It's a great source of protein for your salads or any other dishes. It could be for congis, it could be for carbonaras, pastas, pizzas, tacos, omelets, soups, and even for your breakfast with a sunny side up egg. And the list can go on. You can even store it for a week and just place them in large jars or maybe containers, and when you want a quick meal, you just grab some and sprinkle on top and you're good to go. So let's start and transfer to our kitchen. So let's begin by preparing our chicken breasts by cleaning them and discarding the chicken skin, slicing them so that they will be easily cooked. So heat up a pot of water, place your chicken breast inside, add some salt and pepper for taste, cover the pot and let it boil for a while until your chicken turns white. Then you'll know it's cooked. You can cook your chicken also a day ahead before, and just place it in the fridge and take it out when you need it. So while the chicken is still cooking on the stove, you can start preparing the ingredients for your chicken adobo flakes. First, dice an onion, and 4 cloves of garlic, then prepare the usual seasonings for the adobo, which are 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 4 tablespoons vinegar, a tablespoon of Knorr liquid seasoning, and 1/4 tablespoon black pepper. Just set those aside. Then we can start preparing the ingredients of our salad. It really depends on what salad you prefer. So for mine, it's just a simple one, just to give you guys an idea on how you can use your adobo flakes in. First, I will be boiling 2 eggs on the stove, and while it's still cooking, I'll be preparing the other ingredients of my salad. I first julienne my carrots, and dice my cucumbers. And chop my lettuce. And prepare my salad dressing and just set them aside. And when my eggs are fully cooked and cooled down, I will peel them and slice them for my salad. So once the ingredients of your salad and the chicken adobo flakes are already prepared, we can now go back to our chicken. So we just take them out of the stove, cool them down, and start shredding them. It doesn't have to be really fine shreds, just enough, so just use your hands. Our chicken stock or chicken broth used from our chicken breast can be stored in your freezer and be used for your other soupy dishes. You can also check out my egg drop soup, which is placed on the link on your right corner side of your screen, and I'll also be placing the link on the description below for you to check out later. So let's get back to the stove, turn up the fire, heat up the pan, and place some coconut oil. So once the oil is heated up, you can drop in your onions and saute it for a minute. Then add in your garlic and saute it for another minute. Don't overcook it or brown them. Then you can immediately add in your shredded chicken breast. Fry them a little while mixing the onions and garlics together. So after frying them a little, you can add in your adobo seasonings, which are the pepper, the soy sauce, and the vinegar. And lastly, the Knorr liquid seasoning. So just stir it and fry until the liquid or the sauce on the pan dries up. If you feel that you need more taste onto it, you can add a little more Knorr liquid seasoning. It really depends on your preference. So when the sauce is all dried out already and you feel there's already a little crunch onto your adobo flakes, or it's a little bit crispy already but not overcooked, you can just take them out and transfer them to a strainer for the excess oil to drip. Let them cool for a while on the strainer and to give them time for the excess oils to drip. So once it's cooled, we can just start assembling our salad. So once your salad is already assembled, you can add some crispy chicken adobo flakes onto it. And toss your salad a bit. And then in the end, you can just top it off with a little more crispy adobo flakes. Then just serve and enjoy. I hope this recipe has been helpful in making a boring salad more interesting. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to get more healthy recipes. So before we go, I'd like to update you guys on the 24-hour ambulatory BP monitor test I had on my last vlog. The link of my last vlog will be placed on the description below. Well, my tests were all as a normal reading. So at the doctor's office yesterday for a consultation, he told me he could not prescribe me any medicine since I was normal throughout the day but slightly elevated during doctor's visit. The only advice he could give me was to try to find a way how to encounter my fears. That's it again for today. And remember, you are what you eat. Till the next one, happy eating!